Hi everyone, I'm Rick.
I'm Devana.
Winter break is here, and if you aren't involved in winter session, you'll have 6 long weeks away from campus. You may be tempted to sleep in every day, play video games, or even binge watch your favorite TV show. But there are some things you can do to be productive over break as well.
Tip number 1, create and plan a schedule. I know, it may sound contradictory. Plan a schedule over a break, but if you plan ahead to do some things that you enjoy and some things that you need to take care of, it could be less stressful.
Do you need to catch up on sleep? Make time for that. Do you want to make some money over break? Maybe find a holiday job or work some more hours where you're currently at. Or maybe it's that you want to spend time with friends and family over break. Plan time for that as well.
Winter break is a great time to develop healthy habits. So you could start a gratitude journal, read a daily reflection, and just take some time out for yourself. Drink plenty of water and exercise. If you're healthy in the mind and the body, you'll be healthy when you come back on campus. Tip number 2, take an emotional inventory. Breaks away from home can bring all types of feelings. You are not the only one that feels this way. So take time to think about the way that you're feeling.
Talk to your family and your support systems about how you're feeling. You can also reach out to your academic, program, or even academic advisors for help as well. You can also schedule an appointment with the BGSU Counseling Center while you're home for when you get back to campus. The Counseling Center also has some really great support groups that can help you when you get back.
Tip number 3, analyze last semester and make adjustments. It's important for you to reevaluate your academic life, your social life, and also your finances. Actually, reevaluating helps you make better choices and leads us to our next tip.
Tip number 4, set goals. Think about what you hope to accomplish in your next semester. Is it getting organized, boosting your GPA, getting an internship or practicum, maybe a research opportunity, or even joining a club or an organization on campus? Whatever that is, set a plan and how you're going to achieve it.
Tip number 5 is plan ahead. A break is a great time for you to start planning for your upcoming semester. You can order books, you can read your syllabi, you can make a plan for studying. You can also read some books that are in your career interests.
Think beyond next semester even by starting to research study abroad opportunities that BGSU may offer. Also, start thinking about graduate programs and prerequisites that may be needed for enrollment. Tip number 6, do some professional development. Shadow someone in your career field. Take a week or 2 and discover what the day-to-day operation will look like in that career interest.
You can also update your resume and make a portfolio. You never know when an internship or a job opportunity may arise.
Also, consider creating a LinkedIn profile and connect with other business professionals in your industry.
Oh, you're here. Oh, that's good. That leads us to tip number 7. Try something new.
Open your eyes to new experiences. Do something maybe you've never done before.
Yeah, like take a road trip.
Go on a hike.
Try a new exercise.
Go to a museum.
Yeah. Try something new that you've never done before. It actually is good for your brain. Tip number 8, take care of necessities. It is important that you make any doctor's appointments that you have, any dental, medical of any kind. Make sure you stock up on your necessities as well. You'll need more soap, maybe laundry detergent, and medications. So make sure you take care of those things.
Hey, and winter break's also a great time to get that much needed haircut. Well, and that leads us to our last tip. Tip number 9, work in some me time. We've given you plenty of ideas on how to make your winter break more productive, but we want to make sure you take some time for yourself too. Do things that you enjoy, even if those things are playing video games or watching Netflix.
So remember, have a wonderful break.
And we'll see you at the end of January.